The Nike Pegasus Premium delivers a clean yet high-performance look built for runners of all levels. It comes in the white off-white volt and black colorway that balances simplicity with bold visual impact. The engineered mesh upper features varying textures, combining breathable zones with denser areas that help secure the foot. A black Nike Swoosh adds contrast and gives the shoe a strong, streamlined identity. The standout feature is the midsole, which includes a transparent air unit with flowing curves and a visible volt accent inside, creating depth and a modern feel. Subtle reflections from the materials highlight its advanced construction. The heel is shaped for stability, while detailed stitching on the laces and tongue adds a premium touch. With its durable outsole and responsive cushioning, this model continues the Pegasus legacy of comfort and reliability. It is designed for performance but stylish enough for everyday wear.